How to add someone to private Slack channel. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, first and foremost, go ahead and launch your Slack application. Make sure to log in. Select your private channel. I have one named Jokes. Now from here, in order to add anyone in your private Slack channel, all you have to do is select the option of Add People, then tap on Add to Channel. You can search for the people by searching for the name or the email address and just tap on Add. And simply like that, the person will be added in your channel. If not, select Add to Channel once again. And if you search for the person and you cannot find them, you can add them through your contacts by tapping on Choose from Contact. When you tap on it, a join invitation via link will be sent through SMS to the person, in which they can easily click and accept your invitation and join you in your private channel. Isn't it simple? However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding this process or face any of the lag issue, follow the next step of clearing up the cache. So what you have to do is you have to exit back from your Slack, press and hold onto it and head to App Info. Force stop your application and head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Once you do this, the bug issue will be gone. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.